Hi there! You might wondering what is in our video. Well, I'm going to start to introduce our group first. We are group 4 from BECD 1B, taking the first subject of EDUC 85. For today's cartoon, we are going to show you the setup of classroom discussion by using with and without educational technology. Sounds so interesting, so let's get started.
Good morning, everyone. How's your day?
Good morning, ma'am. We are fine, and I'm sorry for late response because my internet connection is slow.
That's okay. So let me show my PowerPoint presentation. Our topic for today is about the setup of classroom discussion using technology and without technology. But before that, let me ask you a question first. What's come to your mind when you hear the word technology?
For me, by the use of different gadgets, we can gather information that we need.
Alright, Melvin. Very nice answer. Technology is the most important things in our lives, especially today. We are in this kind of pandemic and we have online classes. We use different gadgets like laptop, phone, or even computer, which is not easy to do. But the good thing about technology is we can get a lot of information. But on the other hand of technology is there's so much fake information or news that should not trust.
Yes, ma'am. Nowadays, many people spread information even if it's not true just to make money. I think even if it's false, information is given to someone, we will still know what is the truth.
Yes, as long as we get to know the person very well. Anyways, today's technology really helps us a lot because it makes it easier for us to communicate with people who are far away from us. Just like me, I am a teacher. Because of this pandemic, I am now using technology in teaching. Unlike before, I used to write in the Manila paper or in the whiteboard the topics that I will discuss with you. Yes, everything has changed, but that doesn't mean we will give up, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I think we don't have much enough time to discuss the way of discussion without technology, but I mentioned that earlier. Let's continue our lesson tomorrow, okay? Bye!
Meanwhile, in other universe,
Sit down, everybody! Okay, so let's recall our topic yesterday, which is about the setup of education without technology and how it will affect if technology evolves. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Miss Heron.
it will be easier, faster, and more effective communication.
Thank you, Miss Heron. Yes, Mr. Melvin.
Accessible long-distance learning, it can access easily in any site and you can search whatever you wish. To know it may be an example or the image of it, to have some ideas and to broaden your knowledge.
Thank you, Mr. Melvin. Yes, Miss Chari. Student can connect with anyone at any point in time via Kids Messenger or WhatsApp. They can use such platforms via their smartphone, tablet, or computer, and learners can exchange questions, make phone calls or video calls. Thank you, Miss Heron, Mr. Melville, and Miss Chari for answering. So, now if there's a advantages to having technology, of course, there are also disadvantages of it. Yes, Miss Chari. The disadvantages is that some of books will no longer be given attention. Exactly, Miss Cherry. More young people will be able to study because of the trends in technology.
Makes cheating easier.
Yes, and I think so. Yes, Miss Realu.
Addiction for everyone.
And that's exactly correct. Maybe it can be happen or not. But anyway, thank you students. I appreciate your cooperation. The setup of discussion without technology is effective in terms of attentiveness of the students, while with the technology, they can be distracted in many ways. Just like Miss Realu said, Earlier, we may be addicted to online games, TikTok, IG, or other social media, and we can no longer focus properly on studying. Therefore, because of technology, we learn so many things that can also help us to improve our thinking skills, imagination, and no other information that only in social media can be found. So now, we learn on how technology affects us in our life, and for your assignment, please do an advanced reading about technology literacy. Thank you and have a nice day. Class dismissed.